Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Here I am making a whole week's worth of meals for our family of 5. What only saves money, time, effort, and it allows us to continue to be busy. Yes, the kitchen's a little bit messy because that's what happens when you cook this much food. In the slow cooker, or Ninja as this one is, I have a sausage casserole cooking. Now that's produced a lot of food, so it's not just fed us tonight, it's got another batch that will be going in the freezer. So from here, I'm also producing food for other days. See, this is a whole heap of the ingredients we've had, and by doing this, my oven only has to be on a certain amount of time, so I do not have to have it working through the week, so that saves us money in electricity. And also the ingredients all being prepped saves me an awful lot of time. As a family, busy working family, we need that time back. So apart from the sausage casserole, you will see what else I have produced, which includes, here we are, all the ingredients nicely cooking away. Now this was mince, which was used for 2 shepherd's pies and 1 lasagna. So I cook it all at the same time and then separate it out and do different bits with the meals. And here I am producing lots of different grab bags almost. So there is a bag full of veg that will be used for a beef stew, which will go into the Ninja slow cooker in the morning. There's a bag of potatoes, which will go into the oven for a roast tomorrow, along with other vegetables there. There are sweet potato and parsnip. So that is the prep and I also did what is not shown here is the carrots and the broccoli. They're also in a bag. I just put them in the bags with water, then chuck them in the oven. However you decide to do yours, just make sure it works for you.